Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to CRM1. Today I will show you how to create dashboard for analysis environment wise, how many workflows are activated and how many workflows are deactivated. Next, to show the each flows wise report for tracking the flow details. Then once the dashboard has been created, and next step, how to set up the following dashboard attached into Power BI app and also the model driven apps. For more information, please check the below description. For any queries, please comment down. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.